Like every first-time mother, I always have this concern that whether my baby is meeting milestones on time or not, and if there's any delay, genuine delay, then I should be able to help her out on time. So because we have so much information at our disposal today because of the internet, sometimes that can get confusing, and when there are people who give you a lot of information, it can also get contradicting. So when I came to know about the Baby Shastra program from the Yearling House, I was very keen to go for it because I knew about Pooja and Aparna through Facebook. I had seen the responses, for the queries of all the parents, and I always felt that they made a lot of sense. So I thought, let me try the screening program. If it's great, then it's the best thing I can do to evaluate how my baby is doing on all the aspects of development. And I'm so glad I took this decision because first thing what I really loved about this program is they have an amazing questionnaire. It's really comprehensive, and they take care of all the aspects of development, because I think sometimes we get restricted to just whether the baby is crawling, walking and all that, but there are so many other aspects of development. In fact, some I realized only when I saw that questionnaire that, oh yeah, these things are important as well. So they consider communication, the social skills, emotional well-being of the baby, and of course the gross motor skills, fine motor skills, everything. And they have really specific questions on which they evaluate the baby, which is great. It's not like they're just doing something vaguely. And then based on the scores, they tell you whether overall how your baby is doing. And then of course, if you have some specific questions, specific doubts, you can always go back to them, because there's a Skype consult after this questionnaire thing is done. In my case, it was really helpful. When I did it for the first time, my baby was 9 months old, and at that point, the scores were fine. But what happened is I had some specific concerns around her communication, and I discussed those with Pooja, and she gave me some amazing suggestions. So much so that during the next screening that we did when she was a year old, her score was highest on communication. And so I feel that this is something which is a very basic which we can do for our kids, because see, best if you don't have something like this, then yeah, we just go about googling and asking people. But now that we have this service from them, where there are professionals who know what they're doing, and they can evaluate a baby. They do it regularly, basically. So even if there is some kind of a concern anyway, you can actually catch it in advance, and that's the best thing you can do, because the more delay happens, the more it gets difficult to help your baby if there's any genuine delay or any other concern. So I feel this is really great, and I would highly recommend the screening program of Yearling House to all the parents, and trust me, you will not be disappointed.